In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play multiplayer in Minecraft Java Edition Survival. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna present multiple options to help you set up a multiplayer game in Minecraft Java Edition. So you can choose one according to your preferences. The most convenient one by far is going to be by using the Essential mod. So you will need to download and use a mod, but this mod is going to take the social functionalities from Bedrock Edition and bring them into Java. So it is super simple to play multiplayer. So I'm going to showcase this method first, but if you don't want to rely on mods, then I'm going to talk about other options in the future. So you can download it from the official website at essential.gg, or if you are using something like CurseForge, then go over to your mod packs, find a specific mod pack that you would like to add the essential mods for, click on add content, and then look for it here. Once you have the essential mod installed in any installation or profile of Minecraft, when you open the game, you are going to see these buttons. In here, choose social and then add friend. You will add your friends using their Minecraft IGN, so their standard username that you see when you connect into a world or a server. Now, one of you can go over to host, choose a world, of course in this case create survival, and then just host the world. You will see the option to invite them to the world. So it is just like Bedrock Edition. You can pause the game at any point to send out the invites. Sadly, I don't have anyone to help me demonstrate this, but the functionality is simple to follow. You can also host the world over LAN, and this doesn't require mods, so you just join a world, go over to Open to LAN, and then you host the world here. The port number is going to be what connects you and your friends. Usually, as long as all of you are on the same network, your friend will be able to go to multiplayer, and in here, they will see the option to join your LAN world. If they don't, they can go over to direct connection, paste your IP address, and then follow it up with the port number. So it is going to look something like this, followed by the port number that you saw when you started the LAN world. Besides this option, you can also host a server by yourself. This is going to be useful if you aren't relying on a LAN connection, so if you guys are on different parts of the city, the country, the world, you will need to play online. You can host a server by yourself, but it can be quite resource intensive, and sadly I cannot cover it in full in this video, but you will need to download the server jar file, run it on your system, and let it run on the background. If you don't want to go through all this trouble, or if your PC is not capable of running the server, the next best option is to pay for hosting using a hosting service provider, but this can be quite expensive, so choose according to your preferences and availability. I hope I was able to help you on how to play multiplayer. If this video helped you, consider subscribing. As you can see, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. So if you subscribe, you can help us from the channel make higher quality content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.